Trisomy 18, also known as Edwards syndrome, is a life-threatening chromosomal disorder. It is caused by an error of cell division and results in an extra chromosome 18 in the developing baby. Chromosomes are the thread-like structures in cells that hold genes. Genes carry the instructions needed to make every part of the baby's body. When an egg and sperm join and form an embryo, their chromosomes combine. Each baby gets 23 chromosomes from the mother's egg and 23 chromosomes from the father's sperm, 46 in total. Sometimes the mother's egg or the father's sperm contains the wrong number of chromosomes. As the egg and sperm combine, this mistake is passed on to the baby. Children suffering from this syndrome have 3 copies of chromosome 18 instead of 2 copies in their body cells. Trisomy 18 occurs in 1 out of every 2,500 pregnancies in the US and 1 in 6,000 live births in the US. Babies with trisomy 18 typically have complex medical problems. Birth defects are very common in these babies. Babies with trisomy 18 are often born very small and frail. They may have defects of the heart, brain, spinal cord, or other internal organs. Cleft lips and palates are also more common in babies with trisomy 18. They may have hand and foot anomalies. They may also be unable to feed properly. It is common for a child born with this disorder to die shortly after birth due to organ failure. The extra chromosome causes life-threatening medical complications in the early years of life. A doctor may suspect trisomy 18 during a pregnancy ultrasound, although it isn't an accurate way to diagnose the condition. Many precise methods take cells from the amniotic fluid, or placenta, and analyze their chromosomes. After birth, the doctor may suspect trisomy 18 based on the child's face and body. A blood sample can be taken to look for the chromosome abnormality. The chromosome blood test can also help determine how likely the mother is to have another baby with trisomy 18. There are 3 types of trisomy 18. The first type, and most common, is called full trisomy 18, and is when the extra chromosome is in every cell of the baby's body. The second type is called partial trisomy 18. This type of trisomy 18 is very rare. The child has only part of the extra chromosome 18. That extra part may be attached to another chromosome in the egg or sperm, called a translocation. The third and final type of trisomy 18 is called mosaic trisomy 18. The extra chromosome 18 is only in some of the baby's cells. This form of trisomy 18 is also very rare. Because trisomy 18 causes such serious physical defects, many babies born with the condition don't survive. About half of babies who are carried to full term are stillborn. Boys with trisomy 18 are more likely to be stillborn than girls. Of those babies who do survive, less than 10% live to reach their first birthday. Children who do live past the milestone often have severe health problems that require a large amount of care. Only a very small number of people with this condition live into their 20s or 30s. Having a child with trisomy 18 can sometimes be emotionally overwhelming, and it's important for parents to get support during this difficult time. Organizations such as the Chromosome 18 Registry and Research Society and the Trisomy 18 Foundation can help. There is no cure for trisomy 18. Treatment for trisomy 18 consists of supportive medical care to provide the child with the best quality of life possible.